ready to ditch the document chaos and supercharge your sales process. Let's dive into connecting DocuSign and HubSpot. First, make sure you have administrative access in both your HubSpot and DocuSign accounts. This is key to granting necessary permissions for the integration. Now, in your HubSpot account, navigate to the Marketplace icon in the top navigation bar, and then select App Marketplace. Next, in the search bar, type DocuSign and hit enter. You should see the DocuSign integration appear as the first result. Click on it. On the DocuSign integration page, click the Install App button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to grant HubSpot access to your DocuSign account. You'll be redirected to DocuSign, where you'll need to log in with your DocuSign credentials. After logging in, review the permissions HubSpot is requesting and click Accept. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. Here, you can configure your integration settings, such as mapping DocuSign fields to HubSpot properties and setting up automated workflows. Take your time to customize these settings to fit your specific business needs. Congratulations! You've successfully connected DocuSign to HubSpot. You can now track document status directly within HubSpot contact records, trigger automated workflows based on document activity, and streamline your sales process for improved efficiency. Start closing deals faster today.